Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds into your Interactive Brokers account. Funding your account is a straightforward process, and IBKR provides several flexible options to suit your needs. Whether you prefer electronic transfers like bank wires and ACH, or even traditional methods like checks, we will cover the essential steps. Let's explore how to get your money into your account quickly and efficiently so you can start trading. For bank wire transfers, the process typically involves three key steps. First, log into your IBKR client portal and create a deposit notification. This step is crucial for Interactive Brokers to properly match your incoming funds. Second, you will receive specific wire instructions, including the receiving bank's name, routing number, and your unique account reference. Finally, provide these exact details to your bank to initiate the wire transfer. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 4 business days, depending on your bank. Automated clearinghouse, or ECH, transfers are a popular electronic method. You can link your bank account directly to Interactive Brokers for seamless deposits and withdrawals. For United States residents, direct deposit is also available, allowing you to automatically send paychecks, pensions, or Social Security payments to your non-retirement account. After initial setup, ACH transfers can often be available for trading in 1 business day or less, though some may take up to 4 business days. Beyond wires and ACH, you have other options. United States clients can use mobile check deposit through the IBKR mobile app, or mail a physical check. Online bill pay is also available for United States dollar transfers, where you set Interactive Brokers as a payee with your bank. Remember to always check your IBKR client portal for the most current and personalized deposit instructions, as well as any potential fees or limits imposed by your sending bank.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.